Bro, would you like to hear me do the trumpet?
Do the thing.
Do the thing, bro? Alright, I got you. Wait, which song, bro?
Yeah.
Incorrect. Bro, what song, bro?
I don't know.
Name something that you think I'd know.
I don't know any songs, so.
Alright, bro, I'll just do Shakira again.
Give me 1K, bro. Please, game.
Bro, was that fire?
Yes. How much money do you have enough?
How much money do I have?
Yeah.
I don't know how to pronounce it.
So it's a high number, okay.
Trinizillion?
Are you in the top 100?
Probably.
Check the leaderboard.
Look, you probably am. Hold up. Oh, no, I'm not even close to the leaderboard, dog. Well, I'm actually getting kind of close. Bro, ain't I just like the best singer ever? With trumpet? Oh, I'm still recording. Bro, I was recording myself doing that. Wait, what's my playtime? Yo, who the hell has 27 days in this game? Why?
I might go to bed.
You gonna go to bed?
Yeah, I would go to bed. I would go to bed for you too. For Misha Watson kills you.
My dad does get home in 30 minutes.
Well, I'm gonna go. See you later.
See you, bro. I'm gonna just record for a while. Cause why not? Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. What are my limitations? I could do that one song. You actually see my lip vibrate when I do that. Ah! That's what's hurting. There's a pimple there. I can't put it on YouTube anymore. I'm probably gonna shorten this by like a little bit and put it on YouTube. Well, no, because I could put like an infinite length of video on there. I could do this for 30 minutes and it would still be a thing. I lost my train of thought. Yeah, I'm probably gonna put this on. I'm I'm probably gonna put this on YouTube. And yeah, I'm just gonna type in chat or I'm just gonna put it on the screen, probably like on my head, like going across my head at some point in the video. Like to tell someone to comment like what song they'd like me to do, and I'll probably make a short of me doing the song for like 30 seconds. Well, actually, I'll just do like a full short, like a 1 minute short. Alright, we get it. Oh, wait, I know what song to do. I have a knife. This is knife 1. This is knife 2. Where's knife 3? Oh, I lost knife 3 and knife 4, but whatever. I tried that. Well, yeah, I'm just gonna put this on YouTube. Oops, gotta hold my phone like this, or it doesn't work. That's my second TV, by the way. Yeah, I'm gonna put this on YouTube. Oh wait, I can record this way. Oh. I don't know if I can record that way. Alright, cool. So wide angles are unlocked. Where's the camera? Is that it? Yeah. Ten minutes, 40, 50 seconds. I'm pretty sure I could do it. Good posture. Alright, we don't need to know about that. Is that big belly or is that just normal? Let's hope it's big belly. I have a big. I don't know if I should show it on cam. It's on this finger. Show it quickly. I have a blister there. I haven't done this that often. I don't think I've shown my face on this channel. Or maybe I have. I don't know. Wait, deodorant reveal. Hold up. Deodorant reveal. Is it backwards? It is backwards. Whatever. Oh yeah, headset reveal. Turtle Beach. Limited edition. Oreo socks. Yup. It's my proudest possession. I had to fight a grizzly bear to get that. Andrew. That was weird. I just tried so. Okay. Yeah, one side of my neck doesn't have any muscles. The other side has a couple. Or maybe it all does. I don't know. I'm just watching YouTube. But what do I even do? I'm at 14 minutes in the video. It is 5:35 in the morning. Yeah, I don't know. Wait, I could... Song by Azalea. An Azalea song. Okay. Chaos Construct. It's so hard. If any of my friends see this, or if you know me and you see this, message me like skibbity. Yeah, message me skibbity. Do people that record themselves look at the camera or just like do this? I don't know. Yeah, if one of my friends see this, don't say anything. People that don't know me, I'm 6'3", 210 pounds, have an 8-pack, and can bench 553 pounds. Yeah, that's me.
Hello?
I got him scared. I'm gonna let this video get to 17 minutes and probably end it. Okay, 5 seconds. Thank you guys for watching. If you watched this far, subscribe.